All right, picture this. It's the 1850s. You've just landed a job at a booming Victorian factory. Sounds like a golden opportunity, right? Well, buckle up, as surviving a day is tougher than you think. First off, forget sleeping in. Your day starts before sunrise. Dingy lodgings, barely any breakfast, racing to clock in, even a minute late and your pay is docked. No excuses. Step inside the factory. The air is thick with dust, machines roaring, crowded floor of workers, some as young as 8. Child labor was normal. 12 to 16 hours a day, no weekends, no sick days. Machines are fast, powerful, unforgiving. One wrong move and you could lose a finger. Or worse. Injuries were so common, they kept spare tourniquets. Imagine that. Let's talk about pay. If you're a skilled adult, you might earn a few shillings a week, barely enough for bread or rent. If you're a kid, it's even less. And if you fall behind or get sick, there's a line of people waiting to take your place. Job security, not a thing. The air you breathe, cotton dust, coal soot, chemicals. After years, your lungs give out. Mill fever, they called it. Clean water, forget it. Bathroom breaks, not a thing. Yet people kept showing up. Why? It was often the only way to survive. The Industrial Revolution changed everything, but at a human cost. By the 1840s, over half of Manchester worked in factories, millions grinding through brutal conditions to keep the lights on. Could you survive a day? Maybe, if you're lucky. For years, most couldn't. Next time you flip a switch or use your phone, remember who risked everything.